Ever wanted to invest in gold without buying gold bars or coins? Let's break down physical gold ETFs in under 2 minutes. A physical gold ETF is a type of exchange-traded fund that actually holds real gold in secure vaults. When you buy a share, you're buying a piece of that physical gold without needing to store it yourself. Some of the most popular ones include SPDR Gold Shares, GLD, iShares Gold Trust, IAU, and ABRDN Physical Gold Shares, SGOL. These funds store gold in places like London or Zurich, and they're audited regularly. Gold is known as a safe haven asset. It doesn't rely on company earnings or interest rates. It's a hedge against inflation, currency drops, and market crashes. With a physical gold ETF, you can buy and sell gold like a stock. No need to worry about delivery, storage, or security. But there are a few things to watch out for. First, gold doesn't pay dividends, it just sits there. And don't forget the small annual fees, usually around 0.25% to 0.40%, to cover storage and insurance. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio or protect against economic uncertainty, a physical gold ETF can be a smart move. Just remember, it's more about preserving wealth than growing it fast. So, physical gold ETFs, simple, secure, and shiny. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more quick finance breakdowns. Thanks for watching.